And this is the exact reason why I'm going all in on Nvidia, Broadcom, AMD, and Marvel Technology. Right now, these stocks are extremely cheap. And if you take a look at the charts, I mean, this is such an overreaction to the downside is absolutely insane. I mean, just taking a quick look at Nvidia, you can see the stock was trading at $149 just last Friday, dropped all the way down to $117, and then bounced off of that 116, 117 area and rebounded to 127. That's just one stock in one day. Same thing happened with Broadcom. Broadcom was $250, dropped below $200, 196, and then today rallied back up to around 208. These are all plays that are very, very undervalued right now, in my opinion. Now, you may say they're overvalued in the grand scheme of things, but right now, there's so many people in the short term that sold off their positions that are looking to get back in. They sold off either for a loss or to take their profits, but in the long term, they didn't see the future of these companies and realize the company's fundamentals hasn't changed. The company Broadcom and the company Nvidia still have the same projected, if not even stronger now, projections. And with Meta and Google and a bunch of other big tech companies reporting this week, we're going to see the real side of some of these AI companies. We're going to see if these tech companies can keep up with the Chinese name like DeepSeek. So Avgo, Broadcom, Nvidia, all these names you really want to take a quick look at and just examine yourself. What is that price point you want to get in at? Because in the grand scheme of things, when you pull back this chart, this is a massive pullback on a stock that has been on a very, very beautiful uptrending pattern for the past several months now. Same thing with Nvidia. The stock itself has been on an uptrend for the past several months and is going to continue moving that way. So really think to yourself, is this stock, is this opportunity worth it? And you just saw a massive pullback and a rebound. I think there's still a lot more upside. Now, we have earnings tomorrow night with a couple big name tech stocks, so we have to be careful with that. But with that being said, I think you got to play these type of AI plays, and moving forward, take advantage on any time a stock dips. Anytime a stock dips and there's a red day, that is the perfect buying opportunity for a long-term investor. Because when the market is scary and people are selling, that is when you get the best long-term buys. So let me know, guys, down in the comments below what stocks you guys are looking to pick up. Definitely check out some of these AI names. You may think they're overvalued, but these things are going to bounce and rebound like we've never seen before. So guys, let me know what you guys think about this video. Drop some comments down below, hit that subscribe button, like the video, and I'll see you guys next time.